Having a budget helps you manage your money and make sure that you're saving enough and not overspending. It can also help you achieve your financial goals, whether that's paying off debt, saving for a down payment, or building up your savings. Step 1. Gather all your financial information. The first step to creating a budget is to gather all your financial information. This includes your income, bills, expenses, and debts. Make a list of everything you spend money on, from your rent or mortgage payment to your groceries and entertainment expenses. Don't forget to include any irregular expenses, like insurance premiums or annual membership fees. Next, calculate your monthly net income, which is your total income after taxes and deductions. If you have a steady salary, this is easy to do. If you have variable income, like if you're self-employed or have multiple sources of income, you'll need to do some estimating to come up with a monthly average. Step 3. Create a budget. Now it's time to create your budget. Start by listing your fixed expenses, like your rent or mortgage payment, car payment, and insurance premiums. These are expenses that don't change from month to month. Then, list your variable expenses, like your groceries, entertainment, and clothing. Finally, add up all your expenses to see how much you're spending each month. Step 4. Compare your income and expenses. Now it's time to compare your income and expenses. If your expenses are greater than your income, you'll need to cut back on some of your spending or find ways to increase your income. If your income is greater than your expenses, congratulations! You have some extra money to put towards your financial goals. Step 5. Make a plan. Now that you have a budget, it's time to make a plan to stick to it. One way to do this is to set aside a certain amount of money each month for your variable expenses, like groceries and entertainment. That way, you won't overspend in these areas. Another way is to use cash or a debit card for your purchases, so you can't overspend. You can also use budgeting apps or software to help you track your spending and stay on track with your budget. Creating a budget and sticking to it can be challenging, but it's worth it in the long run. It will help you manage your money better, achieve your financial goals, and have peace of mind about your finances. Don't be afraid to make adjustments to your budget as needed. And remember, budgeting is a journey, not a destination. So be patient and stay committed. Thanks for watching.